Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Holbrook and it's Foundations time. Got baby Echo here and we're ready to get our warm-up started. T, t, ch, chin, ch, ck, sock, k, am, ham, am, ing, ring, ing, ong, song, ong, ank, bank, ank, unk, junk, unk. Remember, you can always pause the screen and you could pretend to be the teacher and say any other sounds that you want to practice with a little sister, with a stuffed animal, or just with a friend, like your other hand. Who knows? Whatever you want to practice to make fun. Okay, let's do all of our vowel sounds. A, apple, A, safe, A. E, ed, E, p, E. I, itch, I, pine, I. O, octopus, O, home, O. U, up, U, mule, U, rule, oo. Nice job, everyone. And our R controls. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, Okay, everyone, today we're going to be talking about suffix endings. Remember, a suffix comes at the end of a word after the base word. Let's review the suffix we've already learned this year. Here's the word bug, and we're going to use this as our suffix tile. Normally it's that lime green color, but we don't have that on my board, so this will be our suffix ending. And this would be the suffix s. So what would this word say? Bugs. That's right. This is our suffix card for S. And to mark it, we underline our base word, circle the suffix, bugs. Well, today we're going to be learning a different suffix ending because S isn't the only thing that goes on the end. We're going to be learning about ed. Now, when we put a suffix on the end of a word, it changes it a little bit, and it changes the meaning. So when we put ed on the end of a word, it means something already happened in the past. And ed can have different sounds. So let me build the base word rent. N-t. It's got that consonant blend in it, rent. Okay, now I'm going to add my suffix ed to the end, and I'll even write ed on it so that you can visualize it. Okay. In this word, the ed actually sounds like id. Sometimes it sounds like ed, and sometimes it sounds like id. This word says rented. For example, I rented a house on the beach for vacation. Rented. Good. Now to mark this, we would underline the base word, circle the suffix. Rented. Let's try some more. I'll say a word, and then we always have to say the base word first and tap it out, and then we add the suffix ending. So here's your next word. Planted. What's the base word? Plant. Good, let's tap it. And. Did everybody hear that glued sound and? And then when you run out of fingers, you go back to your first finger. So you need to build plant, and then the whole word is planted. So then you'll put that suffix ending. Pause the screen and go ahead. Okay, whenever you build or write a word, you need to tap it and check it. Let's check mine. Ant, panted, panted. Something's missing. It was supposed to be pull. Oh, I feel my tongue making the L sound. There we go. Let's check it now. Plant, planted. Excellent. And let's mark our words. Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. Planted. Okay, here's your next word. Blended. She blended together all of the ingredients. What is the base word? Blend. Good. Build blend, and then add the suffix to make it say blended. End. Oh, I hear the word end inside of blend. Kind of like our trick word yesterday, friend. Okay, and then I'll add my ed. Blended, blended. Baby Echo, make sure they all mark them. Underline the base word, circle the suffix. Good. And you know what? Let's mark our consonant blends too. EL and ND. 2 consonant blends. Great job. Let's erase and spell them away. B, L, E, N, D. Suffix ed. Okay, here's your next word. Twisted. What's the base word? Twist. Tap it. T-w-i-s-t. Twist. Build twist. Oh, and I need another T, so I think since I don't have another T on my board, I will just be creative and write it in. Twist. Now I'm going to pull down my suffix ed, and since it doesn't have ed on it, I will write it on. And twist id, it doesn't sound like ed, it sounds like id. Let's underline the base word, circle the suffix, mark the consonant blends. And you know what? Since we underlined the base word, it's also a syllable. What kind of syllable is it? You're not sure? Well, find the vowel. There's the I. And is it closed in? There's no E on the end, so it's closed. So that means the I is short. It says it. That's the way we can mark the whole word. Okay, let's try another one. Chilled. I like my drink chilled. What's the base word? Chill. Tap it out. Ch. I. O. Build chill. Ch. 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 I. I. O. It's a short vowel followed by an L. I know it needs a bonus L. Good. Now bring down your suffix ed. Chilled. Sometimes it just sounds like a D at the end. It just sounds like D. Chilled. Let's mark it. Put a star over the bonus letter. Underline the digraph. Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. And let's mark the syllable type. It's closed in, so it's a short I. Excellent job. We'll do one more word. Next word is puffed. What's the base word? Puff. Let's tap it out. Puff. Good. Build puff. Hey, wait a second. This is kind of like chill. We know F, L, and S are our bonus letters, so we need another F to make puff. Now we have to make it say puffed. Should I just pull down this D? Is that puffed? No, it sounds like just a D, but it's a suffix ed, so it means it already happened. He already huffed and puffed from running so much. Okay, let's mark it. Star the bonus letter, underline the base word, circle the suffix. Is this a closed syllable or a vowel consonant E? C for closed, and a brev over that U because it's a short U. Awesome. Great job. It's time for us to read some words that have ed endings. Okay, let's see here. Where could they be? Aha! There's our ed words. Okay, here's what I want to do. I want us to read the base word and then add the suffix ending on. So look at this first word here. We've got a buddy letter. We've got a consonant blend. Another consonant blend. Oh boy. All right, let's just do it, guys. Let's tap it out slowly and say the base word and then say the whole thing. Squint. Squint. Squinted. He squinted. Okay, let's go down to the next one. Aft. Draft. Drafted. Sounds like id. Ust. Crust. Crusted. Sounds like crust-id. Sounds like id again, even though it's ed. Let's try this next one on the bottom. Slant. Slant. Slant-id. Okay, up to the top here. Print. Print. Printed. Blast. Blast. Blasted. Aft. Craft. Crafted. Trust. Trusted. Okay, these words can be a little bit tricky. Take your time and practice them as many times as you need. All right, now let's read 3 sentences that have ed in them. Here, let's identify the ed word. Here's one of them. Let's tap that word to practice. Twist. Twist. Twisted. Okay, I'll read the sentence and then you repeat it after me. Ben twisted off many lids. Oh, look, a suffix S. Ben twisted off many lids. Baby Echo wants you to repeat that. Okay, what is our word with the suffix ed in this one? Here it is. Blend. Blended. Brad blended the drinks. Repeat after me. Brad blended the drinks. Okay, and what word has our ed ending here? Here it is. Let's tap out the base word. Brush, brushed. Peg brushed the dirt on the rug. Peg brushed the dirt on the rug. Repeat it back. Nice job, everybody. And today we are just going to end with some trick words. We have one new trick word, and then we need to review all the ones we've done. Here's our new trick word. Does anyone see a word inside of it that was a trick word from yesterday? Very good. The word other is inside, and it starts with a glued sound, we know. Another, another. It looks like it should be an other, but we usually say it a little quicker. Another. I would like another ice cream, please. Who can find the word another in our sentence? Yeah, put a little air circle around it. Can I have another hot dog? Okay, let's skywrite another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. And our last activity today is to read all of the trick words so far. Try to beat Baby Echo. Another. Other. Friend. Number. Her. Over. Would. Could. Should. Come. Some. Also. Very. Two. Try. Why. And that's a wrap, folks. Make it a good day. Look for ED in your reading, your writing, and your speaking.